Anandan, because as he goes on speaking, you will come to know what Dr. Anandan is. So, without wasting much time, I will request Dr. Anandan to take up the session.
Thank you, Sabamel. Yes, Dr. Anandan, the floor is yours. Unmute yourself.
I'm going to talk about discourse-oriented pedagogy. But as we go, experiencing yourself. And also you may think that, this is meant for only English language teachers or language teachers, but it's not like that. As we go forward, you know that it is relevant for every teacher, at any level and any subject she is teaching. Okay, so right away we are going to start the session. We have given a questionnaire. Now, more than 1 year, the schools remained closed. God will allow us to start the classes again. Children will come back to our schools and we'll be teaching them again. Maybe this pandemic might continue for some more time, but let us try to co-live with this epidemic. Now, when children come back to schools after 1 year and you start teaching again, what are the classroom issues you anticipate? I'll read my question. Even before the pandemic, you are teaching, and probably you may have encountered some classroom issues also. Now, those issues might continue. Maybe the intensity may be much more. So, please think for a while and see what are the classroom issues that you anticipate when you start teaching again.
Am I audible now, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I think one issue will be, like the way children attend now. Most of the time they are busy with the indoor activities. They hardly concentrate in the class. Now, when they go back to the class, I doubt with how much concentration they will be able to, because they will still want to fiddle with the indoor, with the kind of activities. Like now, like the way they attend the classes, just they have logged in and they are doing whatever they want to do.
Okay, so you have raised this issue. I think somebody will be taking note of that, because we have to get this in. Yeah. What about Nasreen, ma'am? Can you say?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Please.
Nasreen, ma'am. Yeah, please.
Yes, I'm unmuted.
Yeah, Nazma Khan, unmute yourself and speak.
I just wanted to say good evening.
Yeah, good evening. This is Nazma Khan. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Continue, please.
So this is what I wanted to say, that the kids will be too lazy. Most of them are sleeping in our classes, in the online classes. And I think this will be the issue in offline classes also. Okay. And even concentration issues. For us English teachers, the main thing is 1.5 years they were out of touch with the language. And that will be a big issue. Reteaching them the language again, getting them used to English language.
Okay.
That's all I would like to say.
You have 3 points. They will be lazy, they will lack concentration, and sometimes you may have to read this language, English. Somebody else? With this, if anybody wants to raise an issue, please. After that, we go to groups. Is there any hand? We have to rush through. Nobody. What's the total number of participants now? Can somebody tell me about that? How many are there?
64. 64.
Yeah, so there are 164 teachers, So let anybody raise your hand and then talk about an issue. Otherwise, there's no reason to go forward, because you have no issues. So what is to be done then? They are very comfortable now. Only one issue. Children may be lazy. They may not concentrate, and you may have to read it. No, mention some other issue. Anybody, please. Don't hesitate. If you are reluctant to speak in English, just say in Hindi or any language of your choice. Doesn't matter.
Students are unable to recall at what is an atom, and still they are unable to identify even Spirogyra in 10th standard. They don't even identify what is Spirogyra and what all are these.
So what could be their present level?
At least they should identify the figures and they can recall the basic concepts which they have studied in previous classes or in 5th or 6th standard.
It's fine. Yeah, these are all possible issues.
Are willing to answer, let them answer. We can note it down in the chat box till Dr. Anandan gets connected.
Yeah, I request all the guests, the way they have raised their hand, Tabassum, Gulzar, if you have answered, lower your hand. Then Khutubuddin, can you go ahead? Khutubuddin Sahab, you want to answer that question?
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, I am Altofar Gufran Khan Salguru from Anjuman Islam Dr. MIJ Girls High School, Bandra. Okay. This is my son's ID because I don't have this ID. I would like to speak in Urdu. May I?
Go ahead, please. Whichever language, doesn't matter.
Thank you very much, sir. जब बच्चे दोबारा लौट कर आएंगे तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होगी, ये था सवाल।
बिल्कुल,
और इसमें मुझे ये बताना है कि जब बच्चे लौट कर आएंगे तो सबसे बड़ा तो प्रॉब्लम ये होगा कि उनकी राइटिंग स्पीड है ना बहुत लो हो गई है, क्योंकि अब वो पेपर भी दे रहे हैं तो गूगल फॉर्म में दे रहे हैं, जो कुछ वो लोग अटैचमेंट भी भेज रहे हैं तो टाइम लिमिट कुछ उनको है नहीं, आराम से लिख रहे होंगे और राइटिंग स्किल बहुत उनकी पीछे हो गई है, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर कोई ऐसा है नहीं बंदिश कि उनको अभी इतने वक्त में ये कंप्लीट करना है। पता नहीं कितने तो बच्चे कॉपियां भी कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, यानी हमें नहीं दिखा रहे हैं। कुछ बच्चे तो ऑनलाइन भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दे रहे हैं, लेकिन जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं वो लोगों का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा। तो मुझे यही कहना है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक्स अ लॉट।
Thank you. Humaira, go ahead.
Yeah, अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
मैडम ने भी कहा है एब्सोल्युटली राइट। यस, आई एम हुमैरा बेडकर फ्रॉम अंजुमन इस्लाम सेफ तैयबजी गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल, ग्लासेस रोड, मुंबई सेंट्रल। जो भी मैडम ने कहा है एब्सोल्युटली शी हैज स्पोकन द राइट, बट माय आल्सो प्रॉब्लम इज दैट व्हेन आई वाज टीचिंग 8th स्टैंडर्ड, आई एम एन इंग्लिश टीचर, I was teaching Coromandel Fisher's the poetry, and here the poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. And in my introduction, when I asked students who is Sarojini Naidu, the class was blank. Then I noticed I gave them helping words like who is called the Nightingale of India, no response. Then I went back to who wrote Jana Gana Mana, no response. Then I asked them who was a freedom fighter, but such no answer. So I came to know the lack of previous knowledge that the children were having when they were coming to school is now flushed up. मतलब बिल्कुल खत्म हो चुका है. There is no rapport. Children have become lazy. They are not comfortable, or I don't understand what is the problem actually. They don't want to learn. I mean, it fits that what the future would be. So it's all on our teachers that how are we going to face them when we are actually going to meet them when the school starts. Thank you.
आवाज आ रही है ना सर? सर
हाँ,
मैं बच्चों से
आ रही।
सवाल किया कि आपको अब कैसा लग रहा है पढ़ना, और अभी जब आपकी स्कूल खुलेगी तो आएंगे आप लोग। तो आधे बच्चे तो तैयार थे कि आएंगे, लेकिन आधे बच्चे जो है वो खामोश थे। तो मैंने कहा ऐसा क्यों? तो बोले गांव में बैठे हैं, पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो हमको ले जाने के लिए मुंबई तैयार नहीं है। पेरेंट्स की भी बहुत बड़ी गलती है कि वो हर तरह से अवॉइड कर रहे हैं, ना बच्चों को मोबाइल दिला रहे हैं, ना बच्चों की बात सुन रहे हैं, और सीधा सीधा यही कहते हैं वो कि हाँ जब खुले तब देखेंगे, तब सोचा जाएगा। ऐसा तो मैडम आएंगे जब खुलेगा तो पहले से जरा बता दीजिएगा। तो ये तो है मामला, लेकिन 6 घंटा बच्चे अब क्लास में बैठ पाएंगे या नहीं ये नहीं मालूम सर, कि बैठेंगे या नहीं, या वो किस तरह से मतलब इस अंदाज में लेते हैं कि हमें 6 घंटा अपनी सीट पर स्कूल में आकर बैठना भी है ऐसा।
जी,
और करने
जी।
वाले बच्चे तो सर बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ रहे हैं, और साइंस प्रैक्टिकल तक करके दे रहे हैं, और उनके पेरेंट्स भी बहुत कोऑपरेट करते हैं।
माशाल्लाह। Yeah.
I'm the academic counselor of Understand Quran Academy. Earlier also I was teaching, but I was teaching on an online platform. But Alhamdulillah, we have children. We know what is the environment in the in-classroom management and what are the problem we are facing now. So I can analyze the situation. When children, when they went to classroom, there was a competitive attitude amongst the children. You know, they wanted to answer the teacher, raise hand. And it was like, you know, when they were on face with the teacher, so they had to think and analyze and answer. So that competitive attitude, I think, is gone from the children. So less of communication with people, that means overall general knowledge of the children is suffering a lot. Like the way my colleague said, you know, they don't know who is Sarojini Naidu, etc, etc, etc. Plus when they have to go back to school, now they have absolutely, most of them, or I'm saying most of them, their time management is very bad. If the class will start at 7:30, they will wake up 7:28. Somehow they will just click on the join link and they will attend the class. So the time management and the getting ready issues, plus communication of the children, I feel has become really weak. You know, they're not interacting with their with their teachers and this thing. So overall, you know, the leadership qualities which children of, you know, should have, that is suffering.
Yeah,
Unable, the writing skills are also suffering because and plus the competitive attitude, like I said, when they went over there, you know, they had their exam, plus they had the mental stress, you know, I have to finish the paper in this much time. Now throughout the day they are relaxing and they can just refer the book and fill it in the Google form. That attitude has completely gone now. So I don't know how much they will be able to cope up when they go back, whether they will be able to, you know, get back that seriousness again. That's all from my side. I think I have covered time management, concentration, less of writing, overall general knowledge suffering, and lack of competitive skills, lack of thinking ability and analysis from the children.
Dr. Anandan, can you speak?
Hello. Yeah.
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So I think I listened to your voice, but somehow my microphone was not working, you know. It's a technical issue, not an internet issue. Okay. So
what's the background?
Are there any more points, you know, are there any more points to be added to the issues? Does anyone think that, you know, there is something more to be added?
Yeah, like students, when they are away from the class, the pen and paper, how many mistakes are they making, right?
Okay. Anything else? See, we are offering a course, and then when we exhaustive list of issues, we will take them up and see the solutions, you know, for that.
Patiently sit in one place. Patiently sit in one place.
Okay. Any points to be added?
Sir, since you have asked about problems, we have talked of negative things only, but there is a positive side also. I have students who are waiting to return back to school.
That is okay.
Especially girls.
Madam,
Yeah.
waiting
So
to
that
go
is,
back to school is a wonderful thing. But we are talking about the academic issues, you know.
yeah, yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Excuse me, sir.
Go
Yeah.
ahead, madam. Introduce
Hello.
yourself. Yeah, introduce yourself and speak.
Yeah, Tabassum Sultana here. Like what I noticed is during online class.
Introduce
Hello.
yourself. Yeah, introduce yourself and speak.
Yeah, Tabassum Sultana here. Like what I noticed is during online classes, many children were like cheating and writing.
Oh,
So that is one of the bad habit which is developed among our children.
So,
How
yeah.
to like mend this thing?
so from students' point of view,
Somewhere
technology is
like
good.
somewhere even parents are responsible. Even like parents were writing the answers
Yeah,
and they
yeah.
were helping.
You raise the issue, and then
Yeah.
let us listen to others also, if at all. Dr. Vase,
Ji.
now is it possible to go for the, and the next stage, third stage is middle stage, that is 6, 7, 8. And finally, you have the secondary stage, which combines 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the language we are going to use probably from next year onwards. So anybody in the, this second stage, not pre-primary, the primary stage, that is 3, 4, 5 can speak. Everybody can read it from the screen also.
Yeah, I think, ladies and gentlemen, you have identified some of the issues and discuss. If you want to pick up one of those issues and discuss it further, is that what you want, Dr. Anand?
No, I want the list of issues.
Oh, you want the list of issues? Okay.
We are not going to take up them now. Probably we'll take up in 2, 3 days.
Oh, so some of them said
Yeah,
writing
can I,
speed.
Dr. Vase?
Writing speed. Yeah, go ahead, Sister Nasreen. Go ahead.
Dr. Anandan, for some of the have the issues like parents are not valuing education and lack of previous knowledge. They have forgotten all that students have learned earlier. So why have they forgotten what have they learned earlier? And the other thing is writing skills. Most of the teachers are facing issues in the writing skills.
Okay. See, at this point, the initial points was now they'll be lazy, they will not be able to concentrate, okay? And then they may have fallen back, maybe 10th standard student may have reached the 8th standard or, during the pandemic. All this is possible. And you are now talking about the parents' disinterest in education, learning, okay? And the problem with writing. Fine. Apart from these, are there anything else?
Ms. Humera, go ahead.
May I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there are
yes,
may I start?
Nasreen, madam, wait.
There are endless
Nasreen,
problems.
madam. See, I just want to tell everyone in this room, there is a rule, house rule. Anyone who want to speak, raise your hand and unmute after that. And the hand raising will be in sequential order, top to bottom. So first you speak, after you raise your hand. After you speak, you mute yourself. Wait for the response from Dr. Anandan. Then the second hand, unmute yourself and speak. This is how we will conduct, okay? Ms. Humera, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. So I think there are endless problems on both the hands of the students as well as the teachers. There are many behavioral patterns that have changed. Their positive attitude and the academically doing better and better, which they were getting from the school, is totally lost nowadays. They were on a proper channel, I think, of getting trained themselves. They were developing good habits, or getting up early in the morning, brushing their teeth and doing their homework regularly, doing their extra co-curricular activities. But now, even learning by sharing and caring is all stopped. There's a total full stop, I think so, in the line of learning. That is my main problem, I think. So I'm seeing in my children, they are full of, frustration and they have lost everything. Even they don't respect the teachers nowadays. Thank you.
Okay, so now who has spoken now, right now?
Humaira.
Okay, now, everyone in this group agree to this point?
Please say yes or no.
You can raise your hand,
Yes, yes.
Okay, then take
Yes,
another.
sir.
Yeah, then somebody else, please.
Nasreen, go ahead. Nasreen Ijaz. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Hold
Okay.
on, one moment, please.
Yeah.
What we are facing right now is the earlier teething problem, so this will be over, in a lot of time. It takes time for us to settle down in this new platform. Anyway, please continue.
Okay, sir. Nasreen Ijaz. Okay, here. I think, sir, since there is no face-to-face communication, there is lack of overall seriousness amongst the students for their academic, what is going to be the consequences. Therefore, there is lack of time management also and disciplinary issues. And since there is no face-to-face communication, they're not facing anyone. So I think there is a lack of competitive attitude also, which is normally seen in the students. So there is less of thinking ability. The children's thinking ability is gradually reducing, and even the way they analyze, and lack of thinking ability and analysis, since there is lesser communication. So I feel overall general knowledge of the student is also suffering.
Yeah. So, is it an agreeable point for all of you? Does everyone believe that thinking ability has been affected? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Any difference of opinion from anybody?
Well, I have a contrary opinion, Dr. Anandan.
Yes,
while all these issues are there, because they got exposed to technology and exposed to more information than what they would have got in the class, actually their knowledge has expanded. May not be in the subject, may not be in the syllabus, but overall they have become more clever, more intelligent as far as information is concerned.
Okay. Yeah, you made your point. People talk about that also. The problem with the small children is, okay, there is an abundance of material, then unable to decide what to choose, what to play with. So they keep on, browsing, going from one thing to other thing like that. Yeah. So when you work on online, learning, we have to see how we can understand. But there's more than what the teachers can give, or even the textbooks can give them. Okay. Let us stick on to issues now. Anything else?
There is one more comment in the chat box from Miss Salma. She says, instead of learning from textbooks, they Google and they write.
Okay. Yeah, possible. Next.
And Dr. Shoaib saying information is not knowledge.
True. We'll sort it out later. The problem is, how do you differentiate information from knowledge? I agree with Dr. Shoaib. I've been saying that many times. So this workshop, okay, so we'll do that. Otherwise, it's only a theory. So let us see the class. How do you shift from information to knowledge? It's a very important point and very important shift also. Okay, and we are going to materialize that shift. Not only this, there are many other areas where you need to have a total change. So as I said, we are going systematically. Have we reached a consensus on all the issues, possible issues?
Apparently,
if you say
yes.
Yes, we'll continue.
Apparently, yes.
Apparently, it's not only apparently. Okay. So you have an exhaustive list of issues which nobody can see now. Okay, it will be collated. There will be certain repetitions anyway.
There is one remark, Dr. Anandan, from Sadiq. He says self-paced learning has developed because of this online. In class, everyone is treated with the same thing. Because of
Yeah.
online, the student as per their own capacity, self-paced learning has developed.
Yeah. So Dr. Saib would feel happy. Always he say, instead of giving them fish, help them to catch fish.
Yeah, yeah.
So Dr. Saib, have you started catching fish through online learning?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, yeah, that's true. That's true. But there are many, who don't have access to all these, things. We'll sort that issue later. So, can you, conclude this sharing of issues?
How do you want to do that?
As I told you, how do I know the consolidated list of these issues? Because the training is specifically addressing these issues. Unless I have a complete picture of what these issues are, it is going to drastically affect the training modules.
So you want all these responses as a feedback?
Yeah, in a written format. So I can work on that. I can incorporate that into the coming sessions, because this is a kind of needs analysis. Okay, it's a kind of needs analysis. A part of the analysis we have already made through the Google form from their responses, but it's in addition to that. So if anybody thinks that there is an issue that has not been mentioned, please mention that. Otherwise, we'll stop here. Okay. Okay. I take it for granted that we are winding up this with issues. All right. Did you get my
I don't know.
question?
I wanted to point out another issue, but there was a problem with raising hand. I was not able to do it.
Yeah,
May I?
technical issues will
go ahead.
Please.
Go ahead.
Please.
Okay, thank you. I think when children had a disciplined life, they were able to prioritize things. Okay, this is first I have to do. This is more important for me. Now, since they are leading a casual life, I see there is a lack of ability to prioritize things. So this is important for me. They are doing what they want to do at the moment.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
There is one more remark, Dr. Anandan, that says a student, she passed 12th standard science, but didn't get a chance to use physics lab, so lacking practical knowledge. Only theoretical. That is another issue.
Yeah, that's a big issue. We have all the theories. If at all, the textbook gives you can read and memorize, but that won't have any application. Well, in a sense, that problem has been there even before pandemic.
I see.
I have come across several schools where children have no experience in the lab, whether it is physics lab or science lab, but they focus on the textbook. Okay.
Ayan Saab, go ahead. Muhammad Ayan, go ahead. Unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Again, I have joined this with my son's ID. My name is Hawabi Barmare. I'm from Anjuman Islam, Bandra. Sir, I want to raise one more response like whatever issues are coming for the children who are actually really attending the classes, but the students are half or the 30 to 40% are students who are not attending at all, who are not touching their books, not attending the classes also. They are completely, you can say, dropout type. This is the main issue of those students who are literally not attending the classes.
Okay. But you are also worried about whether they will be cheating, in exams. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So teachers do not trust children. Am I right?
Sir, pardon, I didn't hear you.
Teachers do not trust children.
No, we trust them, teachers, sir. We trust them, but many of the students are
Why should there be a fear of cheating? If you trust them. Anyway, that's a sidetrack.
Dr.
So,
Anand, there is one more especially for the working parents. If the both father and mother they're working, then their children are left on their own mercy attending online classes. They're not attending classes, they are doing videos, YouTube, games, and all that. This is a big issue.
Yeah. So here I can see 65 are there in this team.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about the other teams then? This is only the, the preparatory stage grades.
No. See what happened. We have total participation 66, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So all of them are here. All are here then.
All are here because they join as a guest link.
Okay. These technology issues have to be sorted out,
No. Don't blame technology, Dr. Anand. Then why do you blame technology?
I'm saying
Yeah.
the filling in kind of thing. I'm not blaming technology. I'm saying, we could not complete the registration that way and give an ID. That's all.
Yeah.
I'm not blaming technology.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the time limit because we were posing, even today we were, entertaining applications. So there was
that is one of the reason, but also we were preparing the material as well, right, to upload, getting it ready for the session.
I never blame technology. I mean, our Akhil sir has done such a wonderful work, at least this much.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So my question I repeat to all the teachers: do you think that we have completed all the issues? Raise your hand.
We should have at least 65, answers to this question.
Yeah, 65 answers specifically from each participant.
Yes.
So let us have some ground rules.
Instead of chatting in the room, please.
This is a trial, in fact. How do you manage this platform? So the moment we ask a question, you think about it for a while and then enter your response immediately in the chat box. Okay, so that we get all these things.
Yeah.
Then whether you get a chance to share it orally or not, I think when you are talking about an issue, make it as brief as possible, to the point. You can add 2-3 sentences, but should not elaborate on that, because there's another session on this, identifying the reasons for this issue. Issue is something, and the causative factors are a different thing. For example, laziness is an issue, but the reason for that, probably you can say pandemic, they were not going anywhere, sitting at home, like that. So every issue can be connected to a certain factor. We are going to analyze that. But is this over now? Is this over? Lot many issues we didn't. What is that? Students are smart enough. They attend online class. Okay. Students are going through behavior change like imitation, anxiety, sudden burst of anger, going into behavior issues are there. Okay. Okay, fine. Shall we stop it here, Dr. Wasi? The sharing of issues. Okay. Shall we continue?
Sir, please continue, sir.
Akhil, can you hear me? Akhil sir, can you hear me?
Akhil?
Or Wasi sir?
जी बोलिए क्या करना है?
Yeah. So I believe, or at least I tentatively assume that almost all the issues have been covered. Okay. If at all anything else is remaining, they can keep posting that. So let us give that self-assessment tool to them.
Okay.
Let them work on that. Okay.
Okay.
Dear participants, there is a tool. It's called self-assessment on the consolidation of the issues. So there are questions. You can rate your participation in this discussion. There is a format for that. You can see it, How will they have access to that, Dr. Vasi?
Just hang on a second.
Yeah. My dear participants, we are going to give you a self-assessment tool. This session was on identifying the classroom issues. Is that clear? Okay. So you have raised several issues. Now you reflect on this. What was your participation in the identification of the issues in this session? You just look at the questions, very few questions, and just enter your rating that. Clear? Somebody raise the hand. Yeah. No, it is not, getting connected because I am not managing my screen. I'm shouting at the top of my voice.
Microphone. Okay. Share move. Okay. Copy the link. Okay. All right, great. Okay, Dr. Anandan. I'm sharing with them the module 1. Okay.
Yes. Module 1.
Everyone, I have copy pasted module 1 in the chat, a link. You click that link and you answer that question in module 1.
Yeah. You're also learning how to use technology, my dear teachers.
EOC pedagogy पे था.
There are 3 modules. The first one.
This is the first one that I posted. Yeah, I posted.
This is called identifying the issues, classroom issues. Okay.
Are you able to access this form?
इनपुट डालने के बाद आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा तो मजा नहीं आना चाहिए. क्या बोलते हैं?
Did everyone get it? Please tell me.
ठंडे हो जाएंगे ना? क्या बोलते हैं मिस्टर सर? जी. इनपुट डालने के बाद आउटपुट नहीं आ रहा तो मजा कैसे आएगी? नहीं मजा नहीं आने का वो. कितना बता? सर मेंटालिटी.
Were you able to open that, all of you? Do you want me to read? I mean, the module says, module 1, my participation in the session on identifying classroom issues. This is the title. And there are only 3 questions. You can rate it as, each question either excellent, good, satisfactory, or poor. Okay. You got the point? Did all of you get it? No, sir, it says to sign with the school account, which I don't have. All right. I see there is some problem. Yes. Dr. Vasi. Hello.
Yes, Dr. Anandan.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Make sure all of them have, open that format.
Form. Yes, yes. I just shared the link with them. I'm not sure if they should tell me if they're able to access it or not.
Yeah. What is this hand raised, NK?
So we can't access it.
Okay,
Yeah,
It's not opening.
All right.
Also, I cannot send any message. When I'm clicking the arrow, it's not going. No message is going to you.
Okay.
Same problem with me also. Neither am I able to send a message or access the form.
Okay.
Dear teacher,
Yes,
please.
same problem here also. I'm unable to access it or send the
Okay,
message.
so yeah, we'll find a solution. Wait.
Can they share this form on the screen and everybody can vote on
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, please display on the screen. That'd be better, If you could.
Actually, Vasu Sahab has created a form, but no permission is here. Everyone. So let me check.
Yes, I want to know about issues and how you think about these issues. What you think about these issues.
Yeah.
Then only I have vote.
Miss Nazma Khan, just unmute yourself and start speaking, please.
So actually, most of the students that I notice, they spend times late at night watching things, using the mobiles and things like that. They sleep early in the morning, and most of the time during the class hours, they're all feeling sleepy. In fact,
Yeah.
many of them don't attend classes because of that. That's one thing. Secondly, it's like, the classroom thing is not there at home. That environment, that ambience, it's not there at home. They are sitting alone with their mobiles or whatever,
Yes,
laptop,
yes.
whatever. And that is the reason why these issues are, standing out for us.
Yeah, I have a request. Each participant just say one issue, so we can keep it open for others. Okay,
Yeah,
to
we
comment on
get
that.
65 answers, different answers.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the first issue what she mentioned here is that they spend overnight, sometimes very late in the night, okay, and become very sleepy in the morning. Okay.
Next,
Do all of you
please.
agree with this point? This is one of the reasons. Do all of you agree or not? Raise your hand, please.
Maybe easy question is, Dr. Anand, who disagrees? That may be quick answer,
No, you have to answer whether this it cannot be, you cannot, jump into conclusions.
No, the reason I'm saying is they are taking too much time to respond.
Yes. But nothing is, yeah, nothing has purpose. So do you agree that children get distracted by watching other things, like movies or cartoons, whatever? Is that one of the reasons, and one of the consecutive factors? Yes, one said yes, two. I want to see the raised hands. Only two are here. What about others?
Four. There are 4 hands.
4 are there. Yeah. Then
5.
all right. Okay. Does anyone have to suggest another reason apart from this? Let it be there. Can you point out, some other reason, apart from watching, spending late nights, that could be one of the reasons. Anything else?
Not showing interest in studies.
Pardon?
Not showing interest in studies. So your
Not
teacher
showing
is
interest
going
in
on saying
studies.
something, they are doing their work.
Oh, they are not showing interest. Do you mean the online classes, or do you mean even before the pandemic?
Online classes.
Okay. What about the situation before the pandemic when face-to-face teaching was happening? Were they interested or not?
They were interested before the pandemic. They love the teachers.
Okay.
They love
So
to come to school. They are very
I want
punctual.
others to comment on this opinion. She says they are not interested in watching this or interested in the classes.
There is one opinion on chat that says they miss the.
There is one opinion on chat.
Peer learning. They miss the peer learning.
They miss their learning environment with the classmates. That means the peer learning is not happening. Anything else? Yeah, from this end here, please.
Why there is an echo? Okay.
I see. Isma.
Can I speak, sir?
Yeah, please. What is that sound? Some howling sound is here. Yeah, fine.
Stop.
Yeah, please.
I am Tehsil Sakina, sir, from Hyderabad. Regarding the attention of the students, either physical or online class. Even in physical classes, there were instances where the children were not interested in the subject, were not attentive in the class, were not participating. Even physical classes also it was there. And in online classes also it is there. My observation, I am telling. So the thing is how the teacher engaged the students, whether it is physical or online. The creativeness, the motivation to in the students.
Listen, please listen. You are mentioning an issue. Why are they not interested?
Because of our methodology also.
Oh, that's a very valid point. So does everyone agree with that? There is an issue, methodological issue also. How many of you agree on that? Students are disinterested, they are not interested because of the methodology you are using for teaching. This is the point, I suppose. Do all of you agree with this point? There's a methodological issue.
Nasreen, madam, your comment on this, please.
I have another point to raise
No,
out, not a
you
comment.
comment on this. Those raise hands. You can raise the point after this, but comment on this.
Methodology issue. Teachers are trying from there, and to make it. They are sharing the screen and everything they are doing so that children are comfortable at their end. So I don't think so. Methodology issue is the real issue.
Okay. Yeah, keep it that. I don't know whether all of you, all others will agree with you. Okay. At least one teacher said that there is a methodological issue. Fine, keep it as it is. We'll take this later.
Can I give the response to this, sir?
I have another point to raise.
Please.
Okay, sir, I feel the way we are discussing over here now, we have around 68 to 70 teachers over here. So I feel if this discussion was in class, it was, a offline discussion, the participation would have been much more healthier than what it is now. because here we are, we are open to distractions. I'm somewhere looking, oh, my daughter, please don't drop that. Okay, there are guests in the house. Okay, this is happening. There's so many distractions happening around. And so just analyzing from what we are having. Otherwise, if this discussion was offline, I think all would have been, much participation would have been greater from.
Okay.
So maybe same thing with the children also. Maybe the same thing with the children also. When they are online, they have so many distractions around them.
Yeah, got your point. Now, please, others comment on this opinion. They get distracted. Also, it's an issue. My question is why? Why are they getting distracted?
I suggest because of the lack of engagement between the teacher and the student.
Yeah.
The teacher has to keep engaged the student, not let them get distracted.
You have to throw more light into that. What do you
So
mean?
there is
Wait. Hold on a moment. Dr. Vasi is saying we have to engage the learner. So what you mean by
they have whatever they are teaching, they have to develop the interest in the children, engage them with the interest, inquisitive nature of their interest.
See, you
Make
can
them.
engage a person in different ways.
Yes.
You can engage a person physically, you can engage a person mentally, you can engage a person emotionally.
Yes.
What kind of engagement are you talking about?
I'm talking about all possibilities of engagement. Yes.
Fine.
Did you watch Tare Zameen Pe, Dr. Anandan?
Yeah, I watched it.
Did you watch how Amir Khan engaged his students in the classroom?
Yeah, I watched.
Yeah,
I
just
am
an
asking
example.
this question for others also. It's not just how to engage.
Yeah.
You know. Okay, fine.
I saw 3 Idiots, and that was much better.
Pardon, sir?
Go ahead, Dr. Anandan. Just go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Any other point? We are not able to engage them. So there's a methodological issue there. I mean, the point started from Nasreen, who said, no, there is no methodological issue, but children are distracted. Then it's essentially a methodological issue. You are not able to engage them. Do you agree with me or not? If you are not able to engage the children, either in face-to-face class or online class, it is a methodological issue. Am I correct? I am asking to the teacher who said there is no methodological issue.
Ms. Nasreen, yes, respond to that.
I repeat.
Okay. Sorry, I was not unmuted. Okay.
Yeah. You are saying
okay.
There is
Yes,
no
yes.
methodological issue. But then you said they are distracted, you know. So Dr. Vasi supplemented, we are not able to engage them. Okay.
Yeah, so Dr. Vasi
So if you
contradicted
are-
my point, which I am not buying.
If you are not able to engage, isn't it a methodological issue?
We are not able to engage. He is saying there is a methodological issue. I am saying we are not able to engage because of the distractions, because there is a lack of environment. When children go to school, there is an environment,
Yeah,
but then when they are
different things, you know. Lack of environment is one thing. Okay, distraction due to many things. Now, if you are
distractions
not able to
because the
engage-
environment is not correct, sir.
Please, madam, if you say that we are not able to engage the children, naturally they get distracted. But if you are not able to engage them, it is a methodological issue. This is what I'm saying. Do you agree or disagree?
Yes, if we are not able to engage them, definitely it is a methodological issue. I agree.
Fine. So please, somebody else.
Yeah, Dr. Anandan, I feel that, more than online, the children get distracted in the physical classroom by their peers more. And whereas in online, you are able to use most of the teaching aids more effectively. You can even use 3D elements and many of the things, and the children sitting at home are being guided by the parents. So I feel online teaching is giving them much more better when compared to the classroom teaching.
Okay, so the question is which is better? That's not the question. The question is we already identified some issues. What could be the reason for that? This is the question. The way you presented it, we are feeling that there is no issue at all. I mean, there are no reasons for that. Please think, what could be? We distract many things. They lost memory. They forgot most of the things that you taught. These are the things that you said. Okay, and they forgot even English lessons. So you have to reteach again. Okay. What are the reasons for that? I'm looking at that. How do you?
So they lost the importance of the studies.
Pardon? Could you repeat it, please?
Sir, I think they have lost the importance of the studies.
Okay.
सर बिफोर पैंडेमिक बच्चों के हाथ में मोबाइल इतना ज्यादा रहता नहीं था. अभी बच्चों को मोबाइल जो है इजीली एक्सेसिबल है और मोबाइल पे नेट के वजह से वो बहुत सारे चीजों को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. यूट्यूब है या और जो दूसरी जो चीजें हैं, तो आई थिंक वो भी डिस्ट्रैक्शन का रीजन हो सकता है.
Okay, fine. Let us talk about the reasons why children are likely to fall back, in their academic performance?
Excuse me.
For example, they forget language that you taught. So one teacher was saying you have to reteach English. Agreed. Okay.
Dr. Anand, we have a question from Dr. Zahir Bhai is asking some question.
Yeah, well, let me sort this out. This point, So if you have to reteach English or any subject for that matter, what is the causative factor for that?
Hello, can I talk?
No,
yes.
I need an answer.
Okay.
What do you mean by learning then? Just one sentence. Anybody can say, what do you mean by learning something?
Something which is there in your memory. You can recall back. That is learning.
So learning you are equating with. Am I correct? Do all of you agree that learning is construed as storing the memory, and as and when needed you are recalling or reproducing it? So learning means memorization. Is that the question?
No, I wouldn't call it memory. I wouldn't call it memorizing, but memory, remembering something.
Okay. Memory, whatever you call it, the process of recalling something is memorization, or the process of learning something, storing the memory. But then you believe that all these things
acquisition of knowledge.
Yeah, you believe that all these things are to be stored in memory.
Acquisition of knowledge.
Okay, my question is very straight to all the teachers here. Do you believe that all these things are to be stored in memory? We are talking about language, specifically English. What do you store in memory?
No.
I repeat my question. You are talking about children even forget their language. Okay. I lost control over my, So you said children will forget English language. I am coming to that point. So what do you think you have to store in memory so that they won't forget English? What will you store in memory?
Vocabulary, sir.
Vocabulary. All right. Could you say what vocabulary is? What do you mean by vocabulary?
Right from the early ages, if the children are like seeing pictures, knowing the name of it, spelling of it.
Listen to my question. What do you mean by vocabulary?
Vocabulary is the words, pronunciation, their meaning, the basic unit of a language, we can say, according to my opinion.
Okay, fine. Nothing wrong in believing that, but you are saying vocabulary includes, the pronunciation, meaning, okay, everything. Am I correct?
Yes, a basic thing to learn a language.
Can anybody throw more light into it? Your understanding about vocabulary.
Some difficult or unfamiliar words with an explanation of their meanings.
Vocabulary is simply words that you learn, the words that you use in your language. That's vocabulary.
Do all of you agree with the book? Words and vocabulary are the same. Words mean the same as vocabulary. How many of you agree to that?
Can you repeat that?
The teacher said vocabulary means words. So you are making an equation between word means vocabulary.
Using the words in the language, in the speaking.
Words are in language. Any word is in the language. what is the difference when you say something, okay, this is an vocabulary item, or this is a mere word? Are there mere words like that? I mean, it's a very technical thing, but pedagogically very, very important. Trying to understand the difference between word and words.
It may be perception. It may be perception of things, different things in the environment. The child is accepting in different languages.
Give an
Perception of
example. Give an example, please. So it will be helpful for others.
like if a child is like looking at a table, so in different languages, he may perceive that table, table in English, maze in Hindi, and in different languages, he will learn that. He will observe that particular object in any particular language which he or she is learning, or in which he is the child is receiving the perception. Maybe.
We'll pick up this issue again in another session. We will examine this deeper and try to differentiate, because unless you understand that very clearly, you cannot facilitate vocabulary learning. Okay? Exactly by what vocabulary. Now let us some about this. I'm not abandoning this idea. I will take it up again. So there's a space for that in the next session. That's why. Please raise some other points. We are talking about the issues and the causes for this. So if you are already addressed, for example, somebody talked about methodological issue. Somebody said, no, there is a problem of distraction because we are not able to engage. So if you are not able to engage, this can be a methodological issue. Somebody said the environment at home is not very conducive. All these are valid observations. Are there anything more to talk about? Please. Any more ideas?
Dr. Anandan, we are already 8 minutes above the scheduled time.
Okay.
2 hours, 8 minutes. So,
Dr. Anandan,
and because you.
Yeah.
Are you talking about the emotional touch that is very important to remember words?
No, I will come to that again. It's a very serious topic. It has to be now opened up again. Okay, but I understand that some of you find it difficult to differentiate between word and vocabulary. That's enough for me. Okay, and then we'll clarify that later. Or we'll get clarification on that later. Now, Dr. Vasi is saying that there are only 8 minutes now, so we have not completely enumerated the causative factors. You have just reached half.
Yeah.
Okay, there are many that you can think about. So we cannot administer the self-assessment now unless you at least around 70%, 75% of reasons are pointed out. This is just a very small fraction. Okay, so we need more discussion on this. Without at least covering most of this, we will not be able to administer self-assessment for that. Okay. Okay. Dr. Vasi, yeah, which means we have to continue this topic tomorrow. Because identifying the issues and also connecting the issues to the responsible things for that is very important. Then only they can think about what kind of solutions can be given. Otherwise, issues will remain as issues, okay, and will not be able to address any of them. Okay.
What I'm trying to suggest, Dr. Anandan, is, am I audible enough to you?
Yeah, sure.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. What I'm trying to suggest to everyone is, because we said we will do this every day 2 hours. Yeah. Today, because we were not able to reach out to our all registered participants with their login ID password, majority of them are missing this session.
Okay.
We have already started, while this session is going on, we have already started sending them their login ID password. So all the 300, by the time tomorrow, they will be ready. So we will have to definitely repeat this session tomorrow again for the newcomers.
We have to.
So I suggest, we stop here because 2 hours 10 minutes already. Okay,
fine.
We stop here.
That's a good
Tomorrow
suggestion.
you will be in a,
I too feel the same thing, because
tomorrow you will be in a much better position to start the session straight away with all the rubrics and quiz and everything, module, all that. I said,
then we stop at this point and then resume the session tomorrow. Okay.
Dear teachers.
आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है अखिल.
Yeah, dear teacher.
अखिल जरा करीब माइक के करीब आके बात करिए, आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है.
अखिल साहब की आवाज अच्छी है हमारे लिए, सही आ रही.
जी ठीक है.
अखिल अभी नहीं, बहुत ठीक नहीं है भाई, बहुत दूर से बात कर रहा है, दिल्ली से बात कर रहा है.
ओके.
अभी ठीक है.
अरे नहीं आ रही यार आवाज.
अभी आ रही.
समथिंग आई थिंक मे बी नहीं आ रही, लेकिन बहुत धीमी आ रही है.
You said, Dr. Shahir wanted to say something. So,
yeah, I did time is over,
please.
but I wanted to talk about the methodology. We can talk some other time. It's time up now.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We continue tomorrow. Okay.
Yep, sure.
This session. So we'll call it a day for today. Okay. So my dear teachers, now you understand, throughout this workshop we'll be posing questions like this, discussing, brainstorming, questioning again, okay, till we reach at certain consensus. So we'll continue it. I understand that your expectation of a course is that the expert will be talking, giving a lecture on that or making a PowerPoint presentation. None of these things will happen here. We'll keep on talking, and you are finding solutions. That's right, because we do not know the power of our brain, our mind. It's so powerful. Okay, but it is very, very lazy now. Right, the laziest part of human body is brain. So let us see how you can activate that. We'll call it a day for time being, Dr. Vasi.
Yeah. Can we have an applause for Dr. Anandan for this session? We will again join tomorrow, same time, same place. We will have all your login ID and passwords sent to you individually. Okay, inshallah. So
yes.
Let's.
Dr. Vase, I was just searching for the reaction boxes over here. I don't know how to, because there are so many places where, only except raising hand, we don't have any other reactions.
No, we'll sort out all these issues.
This, yeah.
And Dr. Anandan, your concluding statement is absolutely spot on. We'll have to test our own limits. And it's not a lecture-based training program. So all the attendees will, inshallah, get to know their own capacity. So that's a very good closing statement you have made. Thank you.
Thank you.
And to all the participants, I would like to tell you that there is a feedback form that will be sent to you. Kindly fill that form and return it so that we would know that you can see that feedback form on the chat. Forms.
Dr. Vasi, only the module one
that feedback form.
Module first,
Sorry?
The first one only. The second session is not completed. So first, the
No,
first
no, 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 no.
session.
This feedback form is about the. No, 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 Dr. Anandan. This feedback form is about the teams. We want to also know of how much they are comfortable with this and what how we need to facilitate them in further sessions. Okay, not with the DOP. Okay, we are not interfering in DOP.
Tomorrow.
It's
Tomorrow,
your.
see what are the gaps. We'll look for the gaps and see what are the gaps. No, we'll find that.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your time and interest and very active participation. It was a very wonderful session. Inshallah, we'll meet tomorrow, same time.
Yes.
Thank
you very much.
Allah
Good
Hafiz.
night.